Beautiful murals. Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Almost packed to go. And outside is beginning to warm up. Just leaving. Some of the late arrivals were let in by the owner of the clothes store. There we go, here's our clothes store. Early morning, loads of albergues, but ours was half empty. Right in the middle of town. One last in-town arrear next to a very old building. Rush hour. For those who think you might get lost on a Camino, there's an arrow pointing the way. Eating the seeds. Just out of town, and they take us off onto this gravel track. A beautiful full cloud inversion down the valley. Come up to this beautiful side of a house. Good morning, day 8. Into the final third, I think, of this walk. Yesterday we got into Redondela with its 2 famous viaducts and a nice church and everything else. And today we've just got a 20k walk. We're getting close to the sea, so I think we walk a bit along an estuary. Had some good laughs with 2 groups of Canadians, and a really nice albergue, although the entrance was to the side of a clothes shop, and the owner of the clothes shop showed people in, so a little bit different. But as I say, today it's about a 20k, not a particularly difficult walk, so let's see where the day takes us. Ooh, no distance on this one, but go up there, it says. Teasing us a bit, because that's the sea, and there it is, the sea. A sudden incline, and all the pilgrims batched together. Just at the top of that rise, and we have another vendor. Get your stamp, buy some trinkets.
Pero no había sido alcohólico anónimo y estoy adicto al trabajo. Esto lo va a hacer alcohólico.
What a beautiful bridge. We've come across another group. A traditional laundry and fountain, typical to Galicia, apparently. I don't think it's been used very much. That's very green. Wow, everything in one. A place to sit, a arreo, signage. This place has got everything. This is the first of the 2 bridges we have to cross. Crossing the bridge. Very placid water today. Cars coming. Fallen tree that can't get by. But there are some fishes. And across the way is the road and rail bridge. Huge numbers of fish. Celebrating the battle. Taking you through the back streets. Where life goes on as normal. This is our metal and concrete replacement for the Roman bridge that you can see little bits of underneath. So, this is the way. The start of the second up for the day. And some cart tracks. We have sections of the old road. You can see the cart tracks in them. Quiet forest walking, but for the birds. Very organised setup with a couple of horses at the end scratching its head. We can hear frogs as we come up the road. They must all be in this tank. Just hiding. So at this picnic spot, you can have water for human consumption. Go across this one. What trees. Beautiful murals. Much bigger town, 80,000 people. These fantastic date palms or whatever it is growing down the middle. Busy. So in this lovely square fountain, we have our hotel just behind.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.